Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look I came up with. It's really quick, simple, and easy to do. Don't forget to like my video so that I know that you guys want to see more tutorials like this. Don't forget to comment down below any video requests you would like to see me do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I went ahead and I primed my face with the Melanie Prime Shield Face Primer. It is the mattifying one. Went ahead and put that all over my face. So then I went into my eyebrows. I went in with the $1 Billion Brushes eyebrow brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. And I went ahead and I did my eyebrows, and then I went ahead and I set my eyebrows with the Japanese eyebrow gel in clear. After that, I went ahead and carved off my eyebrows. I went in with this Wet n Wild concealer brush and the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Silk Foundation in the shade Fair to Light. Went ahead and carved out my eyebrows. I went ahead and primed my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer in the shade C2. And I went in with the Royal and Land Nickel Precision Angled Brush to go ahead and blend it out. I'm so sorry for my dad in the background. Everybody just decides to come and bother me when I'm recording, like right now. Then I went ahead and I set the powder with the Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh powder. And I used the Luxie 660 Precision Foundation to go ahead and set the powder. Then I'm going to be using this palette today, which is the Profusion Peaches palette. I went ahead and I put tape on my eyes just to kind of give the eyeshadow look a cut, kind of defined line. I went in with the Profusion Blending Eyeshadow Brush, and I went in with the shade Outspoken, and I went ahead and I put all that color into my crease. Then I went in with the Wet n Wild All Over eyeshadow brush, and I got the shade Wannabe, and I tried packing that shade onto my lid, but I was having a hard time. I even switched brushes, and I went in with the She Cosmetics eyeshadow brush, and I even put setting spray on it to see if it could go ahead and help, and I kind of really didn't. So this is me struggling with the eyeshadow. So for the highlight shade, I went in with the Coastal Scents number 15 eyeshadow brush and the shade Polite. I went ahead and I put that all over my brow bone just to kind of go ahead and bring in the look. Then I went with my favorite eyelashes ever, which are the Kiss Blowout Eyelashes and Pompadour. And I went in with the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Went ahead and I put the eyelashes on. And then I went ahead and I started doing my foundation. I used the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Silk Foundation in the shade Fair to Light. And I went ahead and I put that all over my face. I went in with the e.l.f. Total Face Beauty Blender. For concealer, I went in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles in the shade Neutralizer. And I went ahead and I put that under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the bottom of my chin, and between my forehead to go ahead and highlight my face. To set the concealer on the rest of my face, I went in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana, and I took a baby sponge and I went ahead and I set my under eyes. To set the rest of my face, I went in with the Echo Tools Sheer Blush Brush. And then I went in with the Tarte Clay Plate palette, and I used the shade Terracotta and this Family Dollar like blush slash powder brush to go ahead and contour my face. For blush, I went in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in the shade Party and the Ulta Beauty Blush Brush. Then I went in with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to go ahead and wipe off the bake from under my eyes. For setting spray, I went in with the Melanie Make It Last setting spray. And for highlight, I went in with the Ulta Illuminating Powder in the shade Pink Diamond with the Wet n Wild Foundation.